Hi, it's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and today I'm going to do the Mission Inspiration by Mike Deacon for March 2018. And this is the instructions for this month's challenge. 1. Cover your page with tissue or napkins. 2. Add gesso or paint with a baby wipe. 3. Make marks over your page. 4. Add texture with paste or embossing powder. 5. Add a focal image or 2 or 3. 6. Add metallic shimmer, splatters, or drips. 7. Add a quote, phrase, or title. And number 8, create a contrasting border or frame. The color scheme for this month's Mission Inspiration is terracotta, cream, and navy blue. And the words for inspiration are wander, attitude, opportunity, progress, and grid. And I've decided to focus on the word attitude. So I'm going to put this together, but I'm going to do it in probably fast time, so you don't have to watch any of the elements dry. And also because my voice isn't very good today, there won't be any more talking. So enjoy. So I finished the page, and you did notice in the video that I made a few mistakes. One of them was using that stencil with the texture paste that was of Uncle Sam, but it was just not clear enough. It wasn't showing up. It just looked like a blob on the page. So without discarding the page, I had to think of a way to cover it up. So I went to Google, I downloaded the picture of Uncle Sam, and I just glued that right over top of the part that I'd use the texture paste on. Of course, I'd already glued down this image, and for me to pull that back up, I would have torn some of the paper. So I had a second copy of that image, and I just glued it down over top of the original one. In the process of doing this, though, I did rip a little piece off this graphic. So to cover that up, I got a wood veneer laser cut butterfly. I colored it with fired brick oxide ink and glued it over that spot, and now you can't tell that that was torn up, and that adds another embellishment to the page. Since I was trying to make the texture paste glitter with a Wink of Stella, that didn't work. So once I got these two pieces back down, I decided, in order to fulfill the requirement of using texture paste and glitter in this Mission Inspiration Challenge, I used a chevron stencil, and I used Cosmic Shimmer Glitter Kiss through it to create my chevrons. And I did them in sort of a blue, close to a navy blue, to pick up the color scheme of the challenge, as well as to pick up the color in Uncle Sam's coat and hat. I added the quotation at the bottom, and I just glued that on. And I think, when I added the border as well, and I think, with all the problems that I had with this page, I think the end result worked out fairly well. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time.